What's up, guys? So today we're gonna be I'm gonna be showing you how to change a water pump in a early Camaro or a Corvette on an LS1 engine. So first of all, it's hot. Summer is here, so make sure you grab one of these, right? Oh, anyways, I don't have a Camaro, right? So I know what you're thinking. So how you gonna show me? Well, let's pretend that this thing right here is a Camaro. So let's pop the hood. So this right here is gonna be our Camaro for today, and just for today, guys. Don't be acting silly now. Here is our LS1. How do you know that is the water pump? Well, there is coolant leaking from the front of the engine, and I got under the car after a good drive and I find leak, and the only way that I found it was coming from the front, and the vent ports are dry. So things might be a little different in your car than on mine, obviously, because this is a swap, but it's pretty much the same thing. First thing I want to do is take out the intake, and that way I can have a little bit more space. Now we want to remove the drive belt. It's a 15mm on the tensioner. We're gonna push it to the right, and it's gonna release the tension and remove the belt. Now what I did is I put a bucket under the car to collect my old coolant once I take these hoses off. It's up to you if you don't want to or not, but I am going to do that, right? I got a bucket under the car. This is the upper radiator hose, the heater hose, two of them, and the lower radiator hose. All those, they have to be come off. We're going to remove those 6 bolts. There is 3 on this side, 1, 2, 3, and 3 on this side, 1, 2, 3, and those are 10mm. I know what's gonna happen. I know we're gonna have that one Nissan guy that's gonna see this car right in the video, and it's gonna be like, oh, you should have put ISR20 in there, you shouldn't be doing that. Well, here's the thing. When I built this car, about 3 years ago, a little bit more, I bought a Camaro. That's where I get my engine from and my transmission. And this engine right here was used for drag racing. So since then, I have never replaced the water pump. So today, when I see the leak, I couldn't be mad. I mean, it's just time. It was that time. So that's what we're doing today. So to remove the bottom one, you don't have to, but I took this idler pulley, and it's a 15mm. The reason why I remove it is so I get space. When I'm gonna put it back, I think I'm gonna need the space to torque all these back together. So if you're not gonna torque it, you can sure put an open wrench in there and take it out, but that's not the way I'm going to do it. I want to torque it. So 15mm idler pulley come out very easily. Alright guys, so I ordered the pump. I went ahead and ordered AC Delco because that's what I had before. Yeah, it comes pretty much with everything. All the gaskets, the O-ring for thermostat, thermostat gasket. Yeah, pretty much everything you need. It's a good brand. I've been running the car for about 3+ years. and I don't know how long the owner before me had that water pump in his Camaro and he was running it, and we've been running this thing hard. So it's been a good water pump, so that's why I went with AC Delco and not with a cheap one. One thing, make sure that you clean really good the surface where the water pump going in, right around there. But now you're gonna have a leak from the gaskets. Again, you don't want that, so make sure you clean it really good. And then once that's done, you just put everything back in reverse order. Start all your bolts by hand. You don't want to cross thread the block. You want to torque them bolts to 11 foot-pounds and then 22 foot-pounds, but mine only go to 12.5 of the lowest, so that's what I'm gonna go for the first pass, and then 22. Alright guys, so that's it, we're done. I'm gonna wash this thing because it's pretty dirty. Go for a test drive, make sure everything is good. But I hope this video helped you out, so don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.